Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. What's the weight of your body settling into this space? You are the rise and fall of your chest with each breath. And as you breathe out, feel a wave of release flowing through your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. You are here, right now, exactly where you need to be. And in this moment, you are safe. You are supported. You are ready to explore the depths of your inner drive. Then, take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow your eyelids to become even heavier, your muscles to soften, your mind to drift. Now, I want you to think of a time in your life when you felt truly motivated, a time when your inner fire was burning bright, when action came easily, when energy flowed through you like a river. Perhaps it was a moment of achievement, a breakthrough, a time when you surprised yourself with your own determination. See that scene now, as if it were happening again. Notice the colors, the light, the details around you. And as you see that moment, feel the feelings that came with it. That surge of excitement, that sense of purpose, that unstoppable momentum. Let that feeling grow. Amplify it. Take growl an hours an hour moment. Feel it is spreading through your chest, your belly, your limbs. Now, as you breathe in, imagine that feeling becoming a warm, golden light. I want you to place your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your belly. Set and score. Feel the warmth of your hands, the gentle rhythm of your breath. And as you do, say to yourself, silently or aloud, I am motivated. I am driven. I am alive with purpose. His Philly store that lat sape need take kite. He was just old day for kite you are, and left to take their subicthosed awareness. Elise, Philly you are, tucks a stuffing deeper into a state of focused awareness. Your conscious mind can relax, knowing that your subconscious is listening, learning, transforming. Yo, Philly Vitos stale you acquitted, and as you exhale and sedation, take each with this quaidart. And now, listen to these words. Let them sink into the fertile soil of your subconscious. Each word is a seed, and with your breath, they are taking root. I'm sheeted. Hi, I am naturally motivated. Die would flow pleaf more. And now, listen to these words. Let them sink into the fertile soil of your subconscious. Each word is a seed, and with your breath, they are taking root. I am naturally motivated. Admise night and motivated embraced rate. My mind is clear, focused, and sharp. I see my goals with perfect clarity, and I move toward them with unwavering determination. I am resilient. My inner drive is a powerful force. It propels me forward, even when the path is unclear. It keeps me going, even when I feel tired. It reminds me of my purpose, even when I forget. And now, let's anchor this state even deeper doorward. As you breathe in, imagine that golden light of motivation growing brighter, warmer, more intense. As you breathe out, imagine that light spreading through every cell of your body, activating your drive, your passion, your energy. Breathe in motivation. Breathe out release. Breathe in purpose. Breathe out doubt. And now I want you to create a simple gesture that will serve as your anchor for this state. Perhaps it's pressing your thumb and forefinger together, or touching your heart, or taking a deep breath. Choose a gesture that feels natural and powerful to you. Now, as you feel that golden light of motivation at its peak, make that gesture. Press your thumb and forefinger together, or touching your heart, or taking a deep breath. Choose a gesture that now, let's deepen the transformation. Imagine yourself 1 month from now, having fully embodied this motivation. See yourself waking up with energy, moving through your day with purpose, achieving your goals with ease. Potties, what does that version of you look like? How do they walk? How do they speak? How do they feel? Feel their confidence. Feel their drive. Feel their unstoppable momentum. Now, step into that version of you. Become them. Feel their body as your body. Feel their mind as your mind. Feel their spirit as your spirit. This is who you are becoming. This is who you already are beneath the surface. Is imperceptre guabable, my 9 begueriu, and driven. I am energy in motion. I take action without hesitation. My mind is clear, my heart is open, and my spirit is strong. This is who you already are beneath the surface. I am motivated. I am driven. I am energy in motion. I take action without hesitation. My mind is clear. My heart is open, and my spirit is strong. I am a creator of my own reality. I am a beacon of motivation, and my light shines bright, illuminating my path and the paths of others. I am driven by a deep inner knowing. I know why I am here. I know what I am meant to do. And I do it with joy, with passion, with love. My motivation is not dependent on external circumstances. It comes from within, from the core of my being. I am the source of my own energy. I recharge by connecting to my purpose, by taking care of my body, by nourishing my mind. I am disciplined. I follow through on my commitments, even when it's challenging. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air moving in and out of your lungs. Feel the ground beneath you, supporting you. Feel the warmth of your hands on your heart and belly. Feel the gratitude rising in your chest. Gratitude for this practice, for this transformation, for this moment. And as you prepare to return to your day, know that this motivation is now part of you. It is woven into the fabric of your being. It is available to you at any moment with just a breath, with just a gesture. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.